Okay, on the currency markets today, the yen has struggled somewhat, down against everything. Dollar yen is up to 94.35, and the dollar's a little bit weaker against the euro. We're above 142 at the moment. Euro dollar, we were just below it this time yesterday. Sterling's rallied back to over 165.20 against the dollar, helped as well by stronger than expected retail sales half an hour or so ago. For more, or 20 minutes ago, for more, we're joined by Adam Bobroff, trading floor manager at Foremost Currency. Adam, we had the MPC came out yesterday. Their minutes weren't quite as pessimistic as people thought they were going to be. Still no comment about QE. Retail sales are stronger than expected today. I mean, how much more can sterling benefit?
I think pretty limited. You know, those retail figures, if you're really looking into them, a lot of it's due to discounting, of course, causing people to hit the high street. So perhaps that's a bit of a false figure. In terms of the Bank of England side of things, again, of course, as you say, QE, no further announcement on that, very much expected. But now we're looking, of course, to the next meeting where really they should be looking, I think, at that extra bit of QE needed. So
where would you cap the upside in sterling for against the dollar? And euro sterling doesn't seem to be moving anywhere at all.
Yeah, euro sterling very range bound at the moment. But again, cable also very range bound, really looking at the top end of sort of 65.5, 66 marker, and then moving down to the 62.5 marker. And really that's going to be the range, I think, for the short to medium term.
Adam, as far as the dollar's trading range, are the movements we're seeing more related to risk appetite, people just moving out of the dollar and into other currencies and into equities, or is it really a concern about fundamentals here?
I think the traditional type of trade really is no longer there. It is really all to do with risk and what the mood is in the market as to whether we're going to see this sell-off of dollars, which we've had a little bit of over the course of the past 24 hours or so, of course. So yes, it is certainly to do with risk. And there's obviously a direct correlation really between people's appetite for equities. We've had a good surge on the FTSE, Dow's looking up as well, and of course the dollar weakening as a result of that as well.
Hi Adam, this is Christine. What's happening with the Japanese currency? It's dropping sharply on expectations of investment trust outflows.
Yeah, absolutely. I think with the yen, much the same story with the dollar, of course. The mood for risk there. You know, despite the export figures that they had out, which were slightly better, but of course still down. People moving out of yen when it was overbought drastically at the early part of the year. As people look to riskier assets, commodity currencies got to be a favourite at the moment.
All right, Adam. Good talking to you. Adam Bobroff, trading floor manager at Foremost Currency, talking to us about currencies. Well, so to come on the show.